HCC continues to find new ways to engage students in real-world work experiences, and the latest is a new version of the Designathon.
So this weekend, we are going to have our first mini hackathon as part of our Designathon series. Our Designathon is a hackathon with a twist. We'll have a problem set for students at HCC to solve, and then we will give them cash awards for the best ideas. We are partnering with the HCC Visual and Performing Arts, Digital and Information Technology, as well as the Smart Manufacturing Center for Excellence.
So the challenge for the students is to design a golf trophy for a real live business here in Houston for their golf tournament that'll happen in October. So technically the students are faced with a real world challenge that they might experience while working as a designer in the field. They have to really start from nothing to design a concept for a golf tournament that utilizes three things: golf, education, and manufacturing and technology. The Designathon is made of three different phases. There's phase one, which is the conceptualization phase, where the students are responsible for creating something from nothing on paper.
Later, we'll ask the same groups of students to take what they've drawn on paper and digitize it on the second mini hackathon. And on the third one, we're going to ask them to convert those 3D digital files into physical prototypes, utilizing all the fabulous resources in the Fab Lab at the Stafford campus.
All of these trophies will then be judged. The final 5 winners will then be submitted to the client, who will then use them for their golf tournament. The part that we all love to hear is that, yes, the students aren't just doing it for experience. The students are also being offered an opportunity to win a lot of money. $500 for different sessions will offer $500, and then the final designs that will then be given to the client, that's where students could win up to $1,000. We've done designathons in the past, but now this is I'm really excited for this particular Designathon because one, we're coming out of the whole COVID lockdown. We get to see people's faces again, but now we add a new twist to it. We're working with a hybrid modality where we have students who are coming in from virtually from all over Houston, and people attending in person. And a lot of these students are not designers. They're not coming from the design department. We have engineers here, we have doctors here, we have scientists here. A lot of them have no design experience at all, so I'm really excited to see what these people are going to produce.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.